To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now go to the chat conversation where you want to send a voice message. To start voice recording, press and hold the microphone icon next to the message input field. While holding the microphone icon, swipe up to lock recording mode. A lock icon will appear. Then, speak your message. You will see a 1 inside a circular icon. Tap it to set your voice message to view once mode. Then continue speaking. You can pause or cancel the recording at any time. When you are finished, tap the send button to share your message. And your voice message will be sent. When the recipient receives and opens the voice message, they will see a 1 icon, can play the message once, and it will then disappear from the chat. Once the voice message disappears, you'll see a voice expired notification. So that's how you can send and set view once voice messages on Telegram Messenger.